Alright guys, so we just got some very exciting news about the new Dragon Ball web anime. So the web anime has been in production since the summer of 2022 and will likely be streamed on Netflix and Crunchyroll. So I've seen another YouTuber talking about this and they're claiming it's coming out this year, which is not true. So according to some reputable leakers in the community, the anime is scheduled to be announced before the end of the year in 2023, and the anime will be released in 2024. So the anime will be 10 to 15 episodes long, and each episode will be about 20 minutes long, which stays consistent with the original anime. So as you guys see on screen, Crunchyroll has the rights to the new Dragon Ball web anime. And we still have no information on the story, so I'll keep you guys updated. Just make sure to subscribe.